Hey, Mark the Meerkat suffering here at freeonline tradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade. I'm here today to talk about a trade that we had in a GrokStar room. This time it was on GENE, Genetic Technologies. And here it is at opening. This is the line represents the opening line, and as it came into opening, it started to run up really fast. Now that doesn't look like much, but it went from, what, $7 to $7.40? Yeah, that's like a 5% run right there. So yeah, that's a pretty darn big run. Then after opening, it came up here, did a bull pullback, and so I had my order set, ready to go, and boom, I'm in at $7.71. I'm long on GENE. All right, let's see what happened next. And there it goes, boom, 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 up to $8.60 from $7.71. Ooh, doggies, that's a huge run. And then it pulled back right away. Didn't quite catch it at the top up there, but I'm ready to take out half here. It kind of stalled a little bit right here. And there I got out half here at $8.17 for 5.9% on the first half. And then I get adjusting my stop up here to the 20 moving average. And we're moving on up, and then bam, it pulled it up to the 8 EMA, and it got me out here at $8.28 for 7.3% on the second half for 6.6% total trade on that little tiny bull pullback there. But something else was forming here I want to show you. And after I was out of that trade, see what was forming was a Bull Pennant. And it's a run up and it pinching up here in a symmetrical triangle. You want to know more about that, just go to our site, Free Online Trading Education. And one way to get to it is right down here at Chart School, right down at the bottom. And here we want to go to, that's a bullish pattern, we want to go to a bull flag right there. And then here's a picture of it. Comes up and comes back. Now a pennant is just simply the same thing, only instead of a parallel channel coming down, it's actually a symmetrical triangle at the top of a run like that. And here's some pictures of it down below of a bull flag. But I'm going to show you today is a bull pennant. So back to GENE. Here we are, bull pennant, ready to do a second trade. So I'm setting my trade up here, ready to go long if it breaks out from there, and it needs to break out with volume. And boom, look at that. And look at the volume increase as well. Wow. And it just exploded. That doesn't look like much. It went from $8.30 to $8.60. That's a 30-cent pop on an $8 stock. Ooh, doggies. And I got in at long at 8.42 is where I got filled. And then it came back just a little bit from there. And it came right back to my entry and then bounced up again. So I got my stop underneath this 20 moving average. And let's follow it for a while. Look at that. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. So it was stalled here for a little while. So I went ahead and I took out half at $8.86 for 5.2% on the first half. Incredible. That's right. And then it kept on running up here, running up. So I got my stop here at my 20 moving average just because why not? I've got 5% in it already. The second half, let it run. Give it room to run. It's going to pull back a little bit there. Just pull back a little bit, not quite to the 20. I'm still in. Keep moving my stop up with my 20. Now the 20 is getting really close here, which is telling me that it's starting to stall up here as those are getting closer together. And then bam, there it goes. This is where it got me out. I got filled at $9.08 for 7.8% on the second half. So let's take a look at this second trade. Here we have this bull pennant here, and then it ran up, it did a little bull pullback, and then took off like a rocket. And we took out half when it stalled for a little bit, and then when it came down here and finally broke down, we got out for a total trade of 6.5% in 31 minutes. Hooah! I love it when that happens. That's over 13% on these two trades alone. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat suffering. If you'd like to trade right along with me, you can. Just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com, and you can come right down here to where it says More Trading Education. You click on that, and it takes us to our new site, groktrade.com, which is where our premium products are, including the GrokStar room. So right under Education, go to GrokStar Chat Room. And here I am doing the chat. And it's an audible chat room where I call out my trades, tell you where my stops are, just like these videos. And again, I also then confirm it with a text in the chat box. So here's a description of it all here. There's a little buy button there, or you can continue to read if you're not satisfied yet with what you want to know. And down here it is. There's the buy button. You can order 30 days free. And then after that, you know, per day, it's the price of one commission on a trade. That's it to be in the chat room. So, love to have you come join us. This is Mark the Meerkat Sufferer. Just remember that we don't try to catch the head and the tail of the trade, just like great fishermen. We cut off the head, we cut off the tail. We're just going for the means. Trade well.